how to deposit and withdraw money on xPortal wallet. So first step is open up your xPortal wallet. So for this case, let's start with depositing money. So to deposit money on xPortal wallet, I'll just come to the receive button over here. Okay, you come to receive. When you come to receive, you have to select this drop down arrow and then select the coin that you want to receive. So for this case, I'll be receiving BNB on my xPortal wallet. So select BNB. And then I'll just copy this BNB address of my xPortal wallet. So I'll just head over to my Binance account right away. And on my Binance account, I'll be sending BNB from my Binance to my xPortal. So just come to wallet section there and then select BNB. Okay. Or what you'll do, just come to wallet, then select withdraw. And then here in the search bar, search for BNB. Then tap on send via crypto network. Then I'll long press here and then paste the BNB address from Binance. And then I just tap and select any network of my choice. And then tap on max to maximize the amount I have. Then I'll tap on withdraw. So when I tap on withdraw, I'll head over to my xPortal wallet and I'll find my BNB in my xPortal wallet right away. As you can see, it may show a blank screen because I'm inputting my PIN or my pattern to unlock my xPortal wallet. Okay. But after doing that, you just come to your xPortal wallet and you have BNB already in your account like that. So that's it, guys. Make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.